of 36 kilometers per hour in 20 seconds. What is the acceleration of the airplane in meter per second squared? Here is the solution. The initial velocity is 0. The final velocity is 36 kilometers per hour. Here's the average acceleration. Kilometers per hour over 20 seconds. Here is the process. Next is, we get the 10 meters per second, the 36 kilometers per hour, and then we now compute the average acceleration. Meters per second over 20 seconds. The answer is from a speed of 72 kilometers per hour to rest in 25 seconds. What is the acceleration of the ghost in meters per second squared? The solution is the initial velocity is 72 kilometers per hour. The final velocity is 0. The next one, we will compute the average acceleration. Minus 72 kilometers per hour over 25 seconds. And now, we convert the 72 kilometers per hour into meter per second. 3,600 is the total number of seconds in 1,000 meters. So, 3,600 is the total of 60 minutes and 1 hour and 60 seconds. Here is the total. And then, we compute it to calculator. The average velocity is 20 meters. The total of 72 km per hour to meter per second is 20 meter per second. Now, we compute the average acceleration. Zero minus 20 is negative 20 meter per second over 25 seconds is equals to negative 0.8 meter per second squared. Here's the average acceleration. Okay, here's the last problem in acceleration. A plane has takeoff of speed of 300 kilometers per hour. What is the acceleration in meter per second of the plane if the plane started from the rest and took 45 seconds to take off? Here is the solution. The initial velocity of the plane is 0. The final velocity of the plane is 300 kilometers per hour. We now compute the average acceleration. (300 kilometers per hour over 45 seconds. But first, we need to convert the 300 kilometers per hour into meter per second. Over 3,600 seconds. The answer is 83.3 meter per second. Here is the answer of 300 kilometer per hour to meter per second. We are now compute the average acceleration with meter per second. 83.3 meter per second over 45 seconds. So we compute, the answer is 1.85 meter per second squared.
Hello everyone, today we are now discussing distance and displacement. Problem 1. A car travels along a straight road 100 meters east and 50 meters west. Find the distance and displacement of the car. Solution. Write distance. The distance is 100 meters plus 50 meters equals 150 meters. Then the displacement is Here is the illustration of the problem. 100 meters going travel along straight road in 100 meters. Then going back to 50 meters. That is the answer of distance and displacement. So we are now in Problem 2. Distance and displacement. Now, the person walks 4 meters east, then walks 3 meters north. Determine the distance and displacement. Here is the solution. A person walks 4 meters east, then 3 meters north. 3 meters north. Then determine the distance and displacement. Now, the distance is equals to 4 meters plus 3 meters equals to 7 meters. Then the displacement is equals to divided by 4 squared plus 3 equals 16 plus 9. The total of the displacement is 25 equals 5 meters to the north east, and that is the answer of the distance and displacement of a person who walks 4 meters east and walks around 3 meters north.
So how do we get the answer in displacement? Here is the formula. First, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we convert the formula into the given. So a squared is to 4 squared plus b is to 3 squared equals c squared. This is the formula on how we get the displacement.
Now, we are now in problem 3. A bike speedometer reads 105 km at the start of a trip and 107 at the end. Determine distance and displacement. The solution. The solution is distance equals 107 km minus 105 km. The equals of the 107 minus 105 is...
Hello everyone, we are now discussing velocity and speed. Here's the first problem. Caron walks 7 kilometers in 2 hours and 2 kilometers in 1 hour in the same direction. Here's the problem. What is Canor's average speed for the whole journey? What is Canor's average velocity for the whole journey? First, we illustrate the distance of how far Canor walks. So, the average speed of distance and time 10 kilometer plus 2 kilometer, and then the time is 2 hours plus 1 hour. So this is the formula on how we get the average vehicle velocity. So now we compute the average distance and time. 7 kilometer plus 2 kilometer is equals to 9 kilometer. Next one is 2 hour plus 1 hour equals 3 hours. And now we are now getting the average. 9 kilometers, the distance, and the time is 3 hours. Is equal to 3 kilometers per hour. And now we are getting the average velocity. Here is the formula of final velocity and initial velocity, final time and initial time. 2 is the final velocity, 2 kilometers, and minus 7 kilometers is the initial velocity, over the final time is 1 hour minus initial time is 2 hours. So we compute this. The answer is negative 5 over negative 1 or 5. The average velocity and the average speed. A projectile is launched from point O an angle of 22 degrees with an initial velocity of 15 meters per second up inclined plane that made an angle of 10 degrees with the horizontal. The projectile hits the inclined plane at point M. Find the distance OM. This is the illustration. This is the velocity, and then the answer is substitute X and Y by their expression above, noting tangent 10 degree equals velocity sine 0 plus negative 1/2 y plus 2 over velocity cos sine 0 simplify of the equation in it. Let's simplify this. 1/2 tangent 0 10 degrees minus 60 cos 110 degrees equals to, so we compute this 15 sine is times by 32 degrees minus 15 cos times to 32 degrees, and tangent is to 10 degrees. 0.5 times 9.8 equals to 1.16 seconds. Next is we compute the letter B, the ohm. Thus equals 0 E plus minus 1/2 A squared B equals 1.16. The answer set is equals to is equals to 32 degrees times 1.16 minus 1/2 times 9.8, and then convert the time, and time is 1.16